this is an update for Land and Labour. This is April the 22nd, and we've now not seen any significant rain since the 24th of March. It looks like it's going to be a really dry April, and we might not see significant rain all month. This comes after a fairly average winter. We had a bit of snow, about the rainfall you can expect, but we've had a really cold April. And this is significant because it looks like at the moment that we might have the coldest April since 1986, or if it's colder than that, it will be the coldest April since 1922. So we are looking at a three in a century event here, most likely, but it combines itself with exceptional dry. Like I say, with no significant rain since 24th. It's been a mixture of cloud and sun. Where we have rotivated the soil here, then this is what we're dealing with. Can we have a bit of a close-up? So this is where this was planted with a ryegrass and a hairy vetch cover crop. And you can look at this. We live in the southeast of England. We're about the driest place in this country. That's the remains of the root, of the rye root in the ground, and you can see the moisture just here. But if you are to look at somewhere else, then if you pour with your hands, then you can see there is actually a bit of moisture there, but by and large most things are dry. You're not going to have to weed this soil because it's far too dry for seeds to sit in there at the moment as it is, until you water it. This is a bed that we laid October 2019, I believe, and we're looking at this as compost. We haven't amended it this year. We're yet to put the more compost on. Maybe it's better down here. We've actually planted carrots in here, so I better not mess this up. Here we've planted green beans, field beans, broad beans, or whatever you call. I did that to supplant the nitrogen. But we might actually get some beans off it. I've never grown beans before, I don't particularly like them, but I'd grow them as a cover crop, but we might get